Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your look hurt and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to wear this jeans and then I'm going to remove the flower. And then I'm going to make it a torn. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color. I'm going to make it like my skin tone color. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to go to the stocking area. The stocking area is here. And then I'm going to wear this stocking and I'm going to color it red. Go to the color palette and then color it this red. Okay, and it will create something like this. And you can adjust the color to make it looks more natural. You can add the other items as well to make it looks natural. Okay guys, and that's all the way to make your look hurt and the dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.